Hi, I'm Brendan from L&B Designworks. Today I'm going to show you how to install our new cell shading graphics kit. This kit is designed for a beginner and intermediate friendly install, as it's a single layer printed on clear in order to account for various vehicle paint colors. All right, let's get into it. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys and all your support you've given us over the years, and doing this kit was so fun. We look forward to doing it on other vehicles in the future, and if you have other custom ideas, we love working on custom designs. So feel free to reach out. We'd love to talk. If you have any questions on the install, also just let us know. We're happy to talk through it as well. Thanks so much for watching.